Driving down Livingston Road to have new signs that would be put up this morning by Forest Heights maintenance squad. We're coming on none of these signs were here on the 27th. All of these signs were put up today. This is to back up the USA Today show. Here's the first sign. It was just put up today. I'd like to know how they can put up signs on a Maryland State highway. The city can put up signs on a Maryland State controlled highway. If you come down, you don't see any signs that say the school zones have been removed, and now they're just saying here's this infamous tower, and see, here's the first sign that you saw after you went through the radar, and then here's the end of school zone. And then down coming back the other way, we'll go back the other way. But the town of Forest Heights is just trying to shake down everybody in Oxon Hill. While indebting the town for millions upon millions of dollars in debt to some private corporation. No signs were on this side of the road whatsoever from the 7-Eleven forward, or from Indian Head Highway all the way up prior to today. This is the 28th day of April 2011. Here's a new sign that was put up on a telephone pole. And as we come up here, the opposite way, here's the second new sign I just witnessed them putting up before I got my camera. This was just put up today, no more than 20 minutes ago. And this can be verified by the records of Pepco, whose workers have been out here trimming trees. Here's the only warning you had before this. That the fines were doubled. Here's the speed trap 101. Here's the third new sign that was put up today. Now we're entering back off on the Indian Highway after Forest Heights. Do you see any signs? Here's one coming up. These signs were added by Forest Heights municipal workers. Nearest school is almost a mile away. There's the 2 radar traps. Every day those workers are out there working on those. Corporate Americans making a fortune off of Forest Heights. We get a fraction of what they collect, and all of our citizens pay for it. Now we're going back down here to see where the nearest sign is, to see if they've added any new signs going up Indian Head Highway, which would warn the city's residents. This is the intersection we're going to be turning around at. Now let's see how many new signs they're putting up here to cover their ass. I'm starting off, reset my odometer so we can see where these signs are. Alleged warnings. There's a photo enforced school zone sign. That's a brand new sign right here. Brand spanking new sign. And that was at 0.1 mile. Here's the town's other source of revenue, red light cameras. Here and here. Where Livingston Road crosses. Once again, you can see the trucks up there servicing the radar traps every day, 365 days a year. You see any warnings for anybody turning off of Livingston Road? No warnings, no signs, no speed limits. All the way up here, you see it says in the school zone. What a shame. Go up here and turn around and come back. 40-mile-an-hour speed limit right there. That was put up by the State Highway Administration. Now they're looking to put a new speed trap on Oxon Hill Road. This is coming off the Beltway. These are the signs that they posted. No reduced sign, it just says speed limit 35. And we're back where we entered onto the it says right here, reduce speed ahead. That was put up by State Highway Administration years ago, but once again, Forest Heights using the system to shake down its residents. George McDermott, 27th day of April 2011. I'm down here at the U.S. Supreme Court. I've just left the offices of the clerk of the court for U.S. Supreme Court. I had to go in and get, in my recent movement of papers, somebody misplaced the order of Ruth Jones of March 1st for me to respond and fill out an IFP request for court. So I had to come down and get this. I couldn't get it offline for some reason. They wouldn't recognize the case. So I'll be back down here tomorrow to file my petition. Hello. Yep, I'm gonna have to call you right back. Bye. I'm gonna have to go back down, come back down here tomorrow and file my petition in the matter of McDermott versus M&T Bank and McFadden Law Group, where just as an update, I've received another, probably another 10 unsigned orders since I filed my papers on the 28th of February. And then the orders that we reviewed in the Maryland Court of Special Deals for Gangsters are all unsigned, and I received another order from the Maryland Court of Special Appeals that was unsigned. I received 2 orders from the U.S. Bankruptcy Court that were unsigned, all within the last week, so no judges are signing anything. However, when I was discovering these papers, the clerk of the court took it out. He went back and copied it, but Judge Roberts did actually sign an order on manila paper in this case, granting me an extension of time, so nobody can tell me that signed orders don't mean something. The fact that the court withholds those signed orders is a violation of my constitutional rights. So George McDermott signing off from MarylandCourtWatch.com and SecretJustice.com. 4:30 p.m. April 27, 2011. God bless and have a good day.